Hey there, welcome to our channel. Are you ready to transform your financial future and take control of your money? In this video, we're going to dive into how you can shift your money mindset in just 5 easy steps, making it simpler than ever. Stick around because these tips are going to exceed your expectations and set you on the path to financial success. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people like you. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into those 5 easy steps to transform your money mindset. Step 1. First things first, you need to identify your current money beliefs. What do you believe about money? Do you think it's hard to come by? Or that you have to work extremely hard to earn it? Write down your thoughts and be honest with yourself. For example, if you believe that money is hard to come by, think about where this belief originated. Was it something you heard growing up, or perhaps a personal experience? This self-reflection is the first step towards transforming your financial mindset. Take your time and be thorough. Identifying these beliefs helps you understand the root of your financial habits. For instance, if you believe money is evil, you might subconsciously avoid wealth. Recognize these patterns to start changing them. Step 2, it's time to challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, are these beliefs really true? Are they serving you? If not, it's time to let them go and replace them with more empowering beliefs. For example, instead of thinking money is hard to come by, try thinking money flows to me easily and effortlessly. If you believe you have to work extremely hard to earn money, consider people who earn money through passive income streams. Remember, your mindset shapes your financial reality. Write down your new beliefs and visualize them daily. Another example, if you think, I don't deserve to be wealthy, challenge it by asking, why not me? Replace it with, I am worthy of financial abundance. If you believe money is the root of all evil, consider the good that money can do, like helping others and creating opportunities. Replace it with, money is a tool for positive change. Keep challenging and replacing those limiting beliefs to transform your financial mindset. Step 3. Let's get creative. Visualize your financial success. Picture yourself living the life you desire, with all the financial freedom you want. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Imagine yourself paying off all your debts, traveling the world, or buying your dream home. Create a vision board or write down your goals to make your dreams more tangible. Feel the joy of financial freedom. Visualize running a successful business or experiencing a luxurious vacation. Develop a detailed plan, see yourself achieving milestones, and celebrate your success in your mind. Step 4. Visualization is great, but you also need to take action. Start taking small, inspired steps towards your financial goals. Whether it's saving a little more each month, investing in your education, or starting a side hustle, every step counts. For example, you could set up an automatic transfer to your savings account or enroll in an online course to improve your skills. Create a budget to track your spending or network with others to find new opportunities. Read financial books to expand your knowledge or attend workshops to gain new insights. Set clear financial goals and use financial apps to monitor your progress. Seek advice from a mentor or practice mindful spending to stay on track. Finally, step 5. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for the money you have and the financial opportunities that come your way. Gratitude helps to attract more abundance into your life. For instance, keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, including financial blessings. This simple habit can transform your mindset and attract more wealth. Additionally, express gratitude to others and meditate on your blessings. You can also give back by donating to charity or helping someone in need. Write thank you notes to people who have helped you and take time to appreciate the little things in life, like a beautiful sunset or a kind gesture. Practicing yoga or spending time in nature can also enhance your sense of gratitude. And there you have it, 5 easy steps to shift your money mindset. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and join our community for more tips on mastering your money mindset. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. Thanks for watching and see you next time.